Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to reset Cash App PIN if you forgot it. So if you have forgotten your Cash App PIN, don't worry, Cash App allows you to reset it directly from the application in just a few minutes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can regain access to your account and continue sending or receiving money without any issues. So let's get started. First, open the Cash application on your mobile device. Make sure you're using the latest version of the application from your device official application store, as menu options can occasionally change with updates. Once Cash App opens, try signing into your account as you normally would. If you're prompted to enter your PIN and can't remember it, look for an option that allows you to access your account using another verification method. Cash App may give you the option to sign in using your email address, phone number, or by confirming your identity through a verification code sent to you. Enter the email address or phone number connected to your Cash App account. Double check that you have entered the correct information before proceeding. After submitting your information, Cash application will send you a one-time verification code, depending on how your account is set up. This code may arrive through text message or email. So always make sure that you have your valid phone number and also working email address so that you will be able to receive the one-time verification code. Open your messages or email inbox and locate the code. If you cannot see it in the email inbox, you can also go to spam. So basically, return to Cash App and enter the verification code exactly as it appears. Once your identity has been verified, you will be able to access your account settings. Tap on your profile icon, which is usually located in the upper corner of the screen. This will open your account menu. From the list of available options, select Security Privacy. In some versions of Cash App, this section may simply appear as Privacy and Security. Scroll through the security settings until you find the option related to your PIN. Tap on Change Cash PIN. Cash App may ask you to verify your identity again before allowing you to create a new PIN. This extra layer of security helps protect your account from unauthorized access. So you need to follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. After verification is complete, you will be asked to enter a new PIN. Choose a four-digit PIN that you will be able to remember. Avoid combinations such as 1234, 0000, 1111, your birth year, repeating numbers. Enter your new PIN carefully. Cash App will then ask you to confirm the new PIN by entering it a second time. Take your time and make sure both entries match exactly. Once confirmed, Cash App will save your new PIN settings. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your cash PIN has been successfully updated to make sure everything worked correctly. Return to the home screen and test the new PIN when prompted. If the PIN works, you've successfully reset your Cash App PIN. So, what if you can't access your email or phone number? If you no longer have access to the email address or phone number associated with your Cash App application or account, you will need to contact Cash App support for additional assistance. Within the application, navigate to the support section and explain your situation. You may be asked to verify your identity using account details to gain access. Providing accurate information can help up the recovery process. Tips to avoid forgetting your PIN again. After resetting your PIN, consider taking a few precautions. Create a PIN that's memorable but secure. Avoid sharing your PIN with anyone. Store it in a trusted password manager if needed. Keep your email address and phone number updated on your Cash App account. Enable additional security features offered by Cash App. These simple steps can help prevent future access issues. Okay, so to make it simple and short, in case that you cannot enter your cash PIN, what you're going to do is you have to choose an alternative verification method. You can use your registered email address or phone number to verify your identity. Also, the next thing to do is you have to enter your email or phone number. It's very important that you know your email or your phone number and both are working. Now receive the verification, and then once you receive, you have to enter the verification. So input the code exactly correctly. After that, you can open your Cash App and access to your account setting. Now open security and privacy inside your account and then select change cache pin. That's inside the open security and privacy. Complete additional verification, create a new pin, confirm your new pin, and then see the changes. You can also test your new pin if you want and then update recovery information in case that you want to change your phone number or email. And then if there is something happens or probably you cannot open or there's a conflict or problem, then all you have to do is to basically contact the Cash App support. So basically, that's it. As a conclusion, that's how to reset your Cash App PIN if you have forgotten it. By carefully following each step and keeping your account information updated, you can quickly regain access to your account and protect it from unauthorized use. Thanks for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.